Hi, I'm Veronica, an interior designer at IKEA. Today, I'll be showing you how to transform your dining space into a place for celebration. But first, let's start up with packing up our work gear.
If your dining table is also your workspace, keep a trolley nearby to tuck all your work things into and roll it away with ease at the end of the day, so you can switch off and get your space back. We think we deserve a celebration to remember this year. It's time to roll out the drinks trolley and circulate it around the room as your guests arrive. We're adding a bit more drama to our table. For a striking setting, pick up a main colour as your base, like this gold, then layer food platters and decorations. Adding the glow of lights and candles to your table setting takes it up a notch. We've also added decorations to the back of these chairs to make each guest feel extra special. For a useful, sustainable alternative to regular paper, we've wrapped these personalised gifts for each guest in patterned tea towels. It's these little extra details that add some real wow factor to your table. Roll away your workday, pour yourself a glass, then create a little atmosphere, and you start to feel a little festive.